In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook to Monday.com for the year 2025. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or enhance your project management capabilities, integrating Facebook with Monday.com can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Monday.com homepage. This is where we'll begin our journey into making these two platforms work seamlessly together. Once you're on the homepage, select a board you would like to integrate with Facebook. For demonstration purposes, you can choose a sample board, as this will help you get familiar with the steps without impacting your current workflow. Next, find the Integrate option on the board interface. This step is crucial, as integrations in Monday.com are the backbone of connecting with external platforms like Facebook. Clicking Integrate opens up a realm of possibilities, allowing various tools to work harmoniously with your project management setup. After locating the Integrations 50 option, click on it to access the plethora of integrations available on Monday.com. What we're particularly interested in for this setup is the Facebook integration, which can be specifically found by simply typing Facebook into the search bar. This powerful search feature narrows down your options, making it straightforward to find the specific integration you need. Save time and effort by using it. Once you see the Facebook integration in your results, you'll want to click on Meta. Since Facebook is now part of the Meta family, this inclusion is all part of ensuring you have the most up-to-date integration options available. Following this, you'll be prompted to choose a template to lay the groundwork for how the integration will function. Monday.com provides various templates which serve as predefined formats to help configure the integration effectively. Feel free to explore the available templates. Ensure you select the one that best fits your needs, as this will directly impact how data syncs between Facebook and Monday.com. Once you've landed on the ideal template, confidently hit Use Template. This action essentially locks in your choice, gearing up both platforms to sync congruently. Finally, click on Connect. This critical step establishes the connection, finalizing the process of linking Facebook with your Monday.com board. Once completed, you tap into the powerful functionalities these two platforms offer when working together, bringing increased efficiency and a new level of interaction to your project management endeavors. And that's it! You've successfully connected Facebook to Monday.com. Remember, an integrated workflow enhances productivity, making your tasks more manageable and interconnected. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore other integrations to further boost your productivity.